What's your favorite food? Ano ang paborito mong pagkain? I like adobo. Gusto ko ng adobo. Where did you buy that? Saan mo nabili yan? I bought it at the mall. Binili ko sa mall. How do you go to work? Paano ka pumupunta sa trabaho? I take the bus. Sumasakay ako sa bus. Are you married? May asawa ka na ba? Yes, I am. Oo, may asawa na ako. Do you have children? May anak ka na ba? Yes, I have one daughter. Oo, may isang anak na babae ako. What is your daughter's name? Ano ang pangalan ng anak mong babae? Her name is Maria. Maria ang pangalan niya. Now, this is just a small part of our lessons in the Learn Tagalog Filipino podcast on Patreon. So if you're interested with this kind of lessons, go to Learn Tagalog Filipino at Patreon. It's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. Again, that's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. Thanks to our supporters, Dangles, Eli Bueno, Jack DeHoog, and Trey.